Good afternoon and welcome to a video. Today I'm working on metal work that's not for my vehicles. That's a first. I haven't done any I've done like exhaust and stuff. Shout out to Dylan's exhaust videos up here in the corner. You'll see it. Metal work. Look at this. That's Terin's truck. We can do a quick little walk around that, but here's his hood. As you can see, there's no hood. Here's his hood. He's having overheating issues, so he needs to get air out of the engine bay, and in order to do that, we need to make vents, because right now, let me show you this junk. It's windy, sorry. Right now, the air has nowhere to go except for down, right? It can't come out anywhere else except down there. And this is a big old giant 460, huge motor, and it runs super hot. And he has eBay garbage fans, so that doesn't help it. But anyways, that's the plan. So I'm going to make a cowl induction style hood scoop for it, and it's going to be minty fresh. Terin, I figured you could talk about your truck for a second, since it's never been on the channel. What the?
Talk about it.
Or not, I'll just edit that part out, I guess.
Say, dude.
You'd be like, this is my 1931 Model T. It's running on some skinnies.
This is, yeah.
Just
this
kidding.
Is the 1819.
Alright, I guess I'm gonna start on that then. I need to do the tape lines and stuff.
Well, howdy there, you two.
Smash that like button. It was like I was showing you. You've seen the Bronco, maybe, in like the backgrounds and stuff, and then you got that F-250 with a 460 and whatnot. And it's auto trans for now, which is dumb. It's gonna be manual trans soon, but just a workhorse. That's all it is. Just a good old work truck. But like I said, overheating issue due to a number of things. Crappy fans. What was that? I think there's a fly stuck inside the garbage can. I'm hearing fly noises from in there. That's weird. Maybe, I don't know. So I'm gonna, whatever, rambling. Do this. Something like this. Cowl induction gonna pop up right here. You'll see. So first I'm gonna wash it off because the paint's super dirty and gross. So I'm gonna wash it off so it doesn't ruin my Sharpie, and then I'm gonna use a straight edge, take some measurements, figure out where I want it, then put a line of tape, and then I can cut it with the grinder, and then I have to go underneath the hood and cut out the under tray. Well, not cut it out, but just clearance it for this, and then bow it up as much as it needs to be, and then build sides for it. So it's gonna be pretty race truck. Anyways, I'm gonna clean this hood. Hey, guy.
I'm so sick and tired of dirt.
Oh yeah, why?
Huh?
Why?
I'm sick and tired of it. I hate dirt.
Of dirt?
Dirt.
Alrighty, so I got it basically cut out. This is about 3 inches up. As you can see, this is kind of the angle, kind of what's happening here. So I'm gonna leave all the skeleton of the hood. I'm gonna leave that because there's no point in getting rid of it. He's just trying to get air out, and I mean, yeah, it's gonna stop airflow a little bit, but all that air is just gonna come out. It's just gonna, how a cowl works is a vacuum pressure between the windshield and this, and then also the air coming up from the bottom of the engine can go up over the engine and out the hood. So I'm not real worried about it. Also, if we take the skeleton out, the hood's gonna be floppy. This hood's huge. It's like 6 feet wide and like 4 feet deep, so it'd just be too floppy. So now I need to get 2 pieces of metal, and essentially what I'm gonna do is have them like that at an angle. So it'll be like that, kind of coming down. So I don't know how big it needs to be. Maybe I'll do it like 5 inches. I don't know. I'll see. I don't know how. I kind of want it like a gradual angle. So maybe like do it 5 inches here. So I don't know. That's the plan. That's where we're at now. I'm gonna start measuring out and figuring out what the slivers I want to use are, because they really. I guess I didn't need to cut the hood that far, but I mean I wanted it to open all the way. So, but the sliver will probably come to about here. And we can just tack weld that, and then when we're all ready, just Bondo it up. So, which I don't think he's going to do. I don't think he really cares. So, it's going to happen. It's going to be sweet. It's going to be awesome. And, yeah, let's just jump right into it. Alrighty, so this is where I'm at. Look at this. I'm already pretty much done with this. So I need to cut this sliver off, as you can see. See where that line is? Just to make this point straight with that point on both sides. Oh my goodness, these dogs are wrestling and they're so noisy. Look at them. Making dust all over my car. What the? Well, look at this. That looks pretty aggressive right there. A slight taper. Pretty cool. And camera, hey, will you guys simmer, bro? So you can see how it's gonna be. I'm gonna put a support rod probably here and then probably here as well. But now, I mean, I'm not gonna do any. Ooh, sorry for the wind. I'm not gonna do any of the painting or any of that. Terin's gonna do that. I told him that when he sands the hood, I will go through and like Bondo, because see like the crack and stuff, I'll Bondo it and make it look all smooth and nice and super duper sick. Like I'll probably put a little bit of a radius right here, so that it's like, whew, you know, it'll be smoother than just that. So I'm gonna go start tack welding this, or spot welding, and then yeah, it should be all done. Put it on the truck, send her home. Send her home there, bud. I do need to do this. When I was trying to break this off of this, because I just cut it on the inside, I kind of hammered it up a little. See how it kind of bends up? So I gotta bend that down. This side's good, because that side came right off. This side was giving me some problems. So I'll fix that real quick. Alrighty, so it's done. Look at this.
Not done.
I mean, it needs to be painted, but as far as I'm concerned, it's done. The only thing that I'm gonna do is get Bondo in there a little bit, but that'll be when the hood gets sanded and all this. Terin, why do we do this? Why do we do this?
We did this because this has an overheating problem.
Typical Fords.
No. No. It's just too big of a motor.
I think I mentioned yesterday it's a 460. Mm-hmm. I don't know if you know about 460s, but I guess they run a little hot, so. And he got some crappy eBay radiator with some crappy eBay fans, and that didn't do anything.
Worthless.
So
air goes in, and it can escape.
There it goes. And at the same time, it's working. It's doing two things. So that windshield's about to fall out. It's just being held in by the trim. So the wind coming out of the hood is going to push down on the windshield, so we'll keep that in place too. Minty freaking fresh. But anyways, it ain't bad. Yeah, I would say the hood probably looks better on the spray paint job, but I mean, you know, send it. And then I put a little support in the middle. It's just a nail. It's just a big old giant like railroad tie nail. Looks pretty aggressive, if I do say so myself. Do you like it?
Oh, I love it. Wait, you gotta pop it.
Oh, gotta pop the friggin' hood. My dogs. So we went through. Well, Terin did this and put a couple little spot welds on the inside, and then as you can see, I left the whole inside there because it just needs air to escape. It doesn't. It's not a race car. It doesn't need every single bit of cubic inch. Also, this hood is, you can't tell, but it's like 6 feet wide. So it's like 6 feet wide and probably 4.5 feet tall.
Probably weighs 50 pounds.
The Camaro hood's definitely heavier, like 100%.
Oh yeah.
That thing's flipping crazy. Anyways, this hood right here, if you cut this whole structure out, your hood would be about as floppy as a piece of cardboard. So,
the ground strip up.
Oh yeah, so it'd be pretty much worthless. That's why I left that in, because I kind of had to. So, it's all done. And then we got the whole zoo is out here. This cat was just drinking water with the dogs. Yeah, 3-inch. So I think I mentioned that yesterday. It's a 3-inch cowl induction hood. Cowl inductions, obviously air comes in through the bottom and through the grill, and it needs somewhere to go. And before, I mentioned this in the beginning of the video, but before the only place it could escape was down. So now at least it can go down, it can go up. Should be better as far as cooling and whatnot, and it's gonna look sweet. So, sure did not.
No, those are junk.
Yeah, I put the manual fan back on, so hopefully that solves the overheating issue, but, you know, that's a big motor. Just here's for reference. This is a monster can. That's the motor.
It's a big block.
From there to there.
It's a big block, boys.
Good old big block. But anyways, that's probably gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna end it here. Little tiny short video. Little fabrication project, I guess. I don't know. I just work here, so.
Yeah, you just work here.
I'm gonna need you guys to do me 2 favors, alright? One, you're gonna need to subscribe. It's gonna be over here in the corner somewhere. One of these corners, I don't know which one. I think this one, I'm gonna put it here.
So you can't tell
And
people
then,
to subscribe.
You have to tell them to subscribe because they don't know.
No, because if you don't say anything, then they just like it. And they're like, you know what, I want to see more of this guy's content. Alright, well, subscribe.
Alright, wait a second. 2 things. You're gonna subscribe right here in the corner, a little bubble. And then you're gonna watch this video right here. This video, that one's sweet. That's 240 related. And then this video right here, that's when we did something cool. So actually, that's when we got the Mustang. Check out that Mustang video, 240 video. Subscribe. See you guys later. Bye. Bye.
Bye.